back to my channel. Finally, I'm showing you guys my apartment renovation video, but the main part is our toilet. As you can see, I'm in my toilet, but later I'm going to show you full before and after, and then I'm going to show you my entry plus living room. I'm not going to show you our bedrooms plus our kitchen because our bedrooms still looks good, you guys. As you know, like bedrooms, they are all simple. We have nice wood floor, and when it comes to our kitchen, we renovated that like 4 years ago. We have this nice white kitchen. If you watch my vlogs, then you know my kitchen already, you guys. And yeah, so those are the only part that we renovated. Our entry plus living room and our toilet, that we have like changed everything. So yes, if you guys are going to enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yes, enjoy.
Okay, you guys, this is our bathroom slash toilet before. As you can see, it had these dark blue color tiles and it had these small features details all over the wall, which made the bathroom look super busy. We have been living in this apartment for almost 8 years, so I think now it's a perfect time for a change. This is our entry before. This is not the original color of the tiles, you guys. They had this light green color. As you can see, our doors were all brown, and we have same tiles in the living room and our corridor. The renovation started in our bathroom. As you guys can see, they removed old tiles and they put in new water pipes and new electricity features.
These tiles were green and they peel all this green part up, like, and our doors. This is our toilet now. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And we have bath tube here. They're going to put shower box here, as you guys can see there. I can't wait for this toilet to finish, you guys. And there.
As you guys can see, we have this plain wall without tiles. I was thinking the workers were going to put the marble tiles all over the toilet, but they designed it was like this, just one side and half of the side of the other part with marble tiles, and that side there it was going to look like that with like white paint. But I didn't like that. I was super angry because I didn't understand. But the good thing, my sister-in-law came up with this accent wall idea, and I was super happy with it because I really liked the design of it. So we ended up doing that. I'm going to show you guys that later, and I'm sure you guys are going to love that too. Finally, I know you guys have been waiting for this. I am super happy with everything, you guys. As you can see, we still have this IKEA light, but we are going to change that soon. And for tiles, as you can see, we went with this wood like light brown color, which is so nice, you guys. I really like this tiles color with white door, which looks so good. As you guys saw before, our doors were all brown, but we decided to painted them because like buying new doors was super expensive, you guys. But we are happy with this look, you guys, because it looks so good. As you can see, you guys, we kept our windows brown because we are not allowed to paint them because our apartment building has these brown windows, and main doors from the balcony, they are like brown, so we kept them brown, as you can see. But the house still look good, you guys, and I really love the result after. I can't wait to start to decorate because we still need to put new curtains, to change light, and even to decorate a little bit more. So I can't wait to show you guys that on my vlogs. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Now I'm going to show you the rest of the apartment.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you ask asking, even if you're asking. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new.
I hope you guys enjoy that, and if you want me to film more of this like home content, give me a thumbs up because I still need to decorate my entry and my living room. And yes, so I went to this store. I don't know if it's around the world, you guys, but I am going to put the name of the store here because I don't know the name. And I got these towels. Actually, before I got 4 of these, and now I went again because they have sales. And these ones, they were, how much were these? €5 each. So beautiful, you guys. And another thing that I got, which it has nothing to do with the toilet, are these cushion covers. And even this one, they were €5. Let me show you how they are. These are the cushion covers. Just simple. They didn't have white this time because before I took white. And another thing that I got is this. I really like this beautiful tray, and it looks the same with our toilet. Look at this, how seamless this is. So I am going to put this here. This is where I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to put the soap here, which will be perfect. It's just going to protect the wood. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys is this toilet paper holder plus towel. So I got this from Amazon, you guys. I didn't want to put holes on my new tiles, so I decided to get this one from Amazon to put toilet paper and towel for our bidet. If you guys don't know about bidet, let me show you. We use bidet to clean down there, and here is where we keep our towel to dry ourselves. So yes, so this is so practical, you guys, and it was so affordable compared to the other one, and it has very nice material, which is amazing. And another thing that I got from Amazon is this mirror cleaner. I don't know the name of this, you guys, but I use this all the time after shower. So normally I keep this here. Oh yes, that's where I keep. And I keep these microfiber clothes behind here. So when my toilet is a little bit wet, I just wipe it and hide it behind. And this one, they were like 20 or 15 or something, I don't remember, but there were so many of these, and I got them in white, but they have in so many different colors. I am going to put the link of everything in the description, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my